Hello everybody and welcome back to ETS Reacts, and today we're back with a new anime of the summer 2026 season called Sparks of Tomorrow, episode 1, The Electric Boy. And this is probably the anime that I was most excited for going into the summer 2026, just based off the trailer and the vibes that I was getting. One, because it's done by KYOTO Animation, which is actually, I think, most famous for Clannad, which is another series that I'm starting this summer, and I'm super excited to jump into it. Just the storyline itself seemed really intriguing to me, with this electric, which is why I have the lights behind me yellow, but they look orange. I swear to you, they are like a goldish color. They're not orange, unless I'm colorblind in there. No, that has to be gold. Anyway, I'm excited to get into it. Let's wait no more, and let's see what this show is all about. Let's get choo-choo train, electricity. That's what we're all about in this show. I guess a train wouldn't have electricity. It would run off of coal and like soak in the fire, right? I might be wrong there. Ah, these are all electricians. That's not surprising. They all died young. Like, working with electricity, that's some dangerous shit right there. You could fast, but steam technology advanced at an astonishing rate worldwide. Yeah, like I think of the steamboat, train, like stuff like that. Steam was kind of before electricity, correct? In this Meiji era, is that like the 1800s time frame, like kind of where I think of like the Industrial Revolution? The 20th century electrical catalog. I wonder if these two characters here, are they like from the future, that they kind of all know about electricity, and so now they're trying to bring electricity like to this day and age? Is kind of what I gathered from the little like blurb. Seruko. Don't give me that. Just copied everything I said. So he's trying to make this kid basically write down everything about electricity to help it like function within this day of age. Believe in yourself. I like this older brother. Observe the world around you. Everybody else is like, whoa, this older brother's a nut job. What is he doing with that poor kid? The people behind him, do they know them? Because they might be important characters. I don't know. This dude seems like he's about to snap. 5th National Industrial Technology. Just everything's like smog everywhere. Smog. That's just because steam coil was crazy. See, these dudes were important. They're with the Seruku people. So steam is what's pulling this elevator out, basically, instead of electricity like these days? Whoa. Kaichi. He went out for milk and did never come back after this. Seruko. Adios, big brother Milk-san, never to come back again. Yeah, that was obvious. I don't want to. Whoa, what's going on here? Whenever I hear a woman late at night and say, I don't want to, something crazy could be going on here. How long is he gonna wait? Oh no, he's still alive. He didn't go out for milk, but he might get captured from the police here. Oh, he's testing out his lights. Interesting. So how they're doing it is, right, it's something about like pollution in the world, or kind of global warming. Like if we had a Superman, remember those videos growing up? I don't know if I was only watching it, who like would crank the wheel over and over again, that like the world would be like a lot healthier. Look at this animation of all the lights. But the issue is this dude's just gonna have to pedal forever. That is sick animation though. Look at that. Then like this him like going into this watercolor painting. What the heck is he's getting enveloped into the light? Yeah, it's awesome, but I'm the one who's cranking out all this work to make it happen. Oh wait, they're gonna arrest him for putting up some lights? Uh-oh, this guy's gonna slip on the good old banana peel. Uh-oh. What just happened? The power of electricity. That's what it is. Oh shit, this older brother is about to get, I feel like this episode, or like arrested and put in jail for life. This young boy's gonna be devastated. I was still thinking about that scene from the beginning. Right here, I'll go back to it. Where are we at? Like this moment right here when you're a little kid and it's like the first time you're like in awe of something and you're like, whoa, that thing like totally captures like every fiber of your body and you just get like totally devoted to it. Like I think everyone has like something like that. Like for me growing up, it was a sport, like it was golf, but for like other people, it could have been anime, drawing, like whatever else it could be. Like you just, as a kid, you get something, you're like, whoosh, and then you're just hooked and you do it for like years and years. Like I just thought like, oh, that was immediately what I thought of. I wonder how many years later this is. 40th year, so just a year later maybe. I really love the animation. It's like a little grainy, it's unique, it's steam engine toys. He's like, F those steam engine toys, let's get electric toys. Oh, he's definitely older. The voice acting totally changed. Was it 4 years? Was it year 36? You don't fool me. Oh, I guess you can't make that small of steam engines, which is totally true. I didn't even think of that. Let's see what the little trick is. But springs and hot water. Weren't you? You're a fraud. Yeah, 4 years passed, so it was 36. And went to war. Fuck, and he never came back. I knew Oni-chan, big bro, he was gonna die. I just didn't, I thought it was gonna be like by the police officers or maybe like a little more like in the younger brother's face more than just like go off to war. And I love the backgrounds because it's like 2D, right? It's just like straight like oil or like water painting. He broke that promise. Is he gonna have trust issues now? Well, it definitely seems like he has trust issues. Oh, here's the girl that's gonna sway his heart right here. Oh, is this like a music box thing? That like plays music where you have to like crank it on the side and that's gonna be the electricity? He's like, oh my god, this girl, she's just rambling. She actually thinks I'm a deity. Does he like speak into this thing and it like amplifies his voice? But if she just like looked to the right, she would see him. Wow. The eyes in this show are really beautiful. She wants to talk to her mom in heaven. Uh-oh, it's gonna start playing random stuff. Wait, what is this saying? God. I don't know what this stuff is. Purification ritual. Tachibana, I don't know what any of these things are. Could it be? It's the deity. Whoa, what animation, the eyeballs. I was saying how much I love the eyeballs in this anime. And they're like right on top of each other. This world's a little wacko. Yeah, he's like, what's wrong with you? Don't chant prayers at people. She's like, wait, you're not my deity? Wait, are you a con artist? Are you trying to con me? He's like, I've seen too many con artists today. I can't fall for anything yet. Wait, that was me playing that Kagura. It stopped, yeah, because I was cranking it. She's like all embarrassed. She's like, don't doubt my deity, it was playing this. And he's like, click the button, just start playing it. And he's like, really, your deity? Because he's probably all like science brain. He doesn't believe in religion. It's usually how it works. I'm good in believing in stuff. Well, clearly, you have a lot of belief. You're a pure-hearted, kind girl. You have a lot of belief. It's my only talent is crazy believing in things. So she would be conned by everybody. She's the Nao of Sparks of Tomorrow.
名前は？うちの名前ですか？ここに向かって喋ってみな。
Oh, so then it like carves something in there like with the voice vibrations and then it will like repeat it.
うちは桃川稲子。
Inako Momokawa.
桃川酒造の娘です。
A brewery. Probably makes bank. He's like, I don't care about the rest of that stuff. I just wanted your name.
そんなことまで喋るなって。
She's like, huh? This guy, he's kind of pissing me off. Yep. He's like all proud of himself. He's like, oh, look at my invention. Because, right, that's how his older brother wired his brain to, like, always think ahead, like, be creative, have a creative mind, like, create your own inventions. But this probably isn't his invention. She's like, Sugoi? What does she have? Like a pet ferret or whatever those things are? I just recorded your voice on a new wax cylinder. Into the grooves, right? It's recording, yeah. 2 minutes? That's crazy. We could have a 2 minute. She's like, whoa, now you're giving me way too much information. So, back into it. So he created his own like repair shop. Sakamoto. She's like, I don't have anything in my life that's gonna break down. Maybe my parents do at the brewery. Inako. That's the pure play-hearted young girl and young boy first meeting each other, messing up the name on purpose to piss her off. Even the little ferret is giving a here's his altar shop. Damn, he looks horrible. After working on those machines all night, probably. I wonder if his brother started this?
もっと金になる仕事したらどうなんだい。お前みたいなボンクだ。いつまでもタダで済ませられんぞ。
分七おじさんが仕事断ってんじゃないだろうな。
うるさいうるさい。
Wonder what this guy does. Oh, this is the... Was that a girl or is this a dude? It's a dude, isn't it? What? This guy reminds her of Inako? Paradise. Because that young girl is like, I want to talk to my mom in paradise, which is probably like heaven. Antagonist? Aura. White hair man, is this Aura man? Drugs. So you like this boy you met yesterday so much? Went walking during class. Yeah, wandering. Whoa, you're gonna run over the poor girls, the schoolgirls. Damn, tall girl has freaking Spider-Man. She got the Spidey tingle in her. Oh, he's there for a couple drinks.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, no way. Is this her like future fiance that she doesn't want to marry? Mizo Yosuke desu. Who's this voice actor? We gotta look up all the voice actors here. I'm shocked I didn't do it already. Yeah, it's a pretty good voice acting cast. We had the guy who plays Sakamoto is Fushiguro, and then we also had this girl Inoko, right? She is Aqua from Konosuba, I think. So lots of good cast. I actually don't know this guy's voice actor that much though. Oldest daughter. Is she the eldest daughter? Oh, Noriko, that's the eldest daughter. Uh-oh. This guy clearly wants a relationship with this woman. She's clearly uncomfortable with that man. Inako, you're clumsy. God, she's only good at being honest or like believing in things, right? It's kind of depressing to be the only thing to be good at. Full today. The only way that I will let this go is that if your oldest daughter marries me, he's gonna be like, no, what about my youngest daughter? That is cuckoo. She's in high school. How old is this man? Momokawa. I guess I'll have to marry into your family. Yep. That's totally, I want a real proposal of marriage. And so this is the plot of the story now. I think I'm catching on to it. Is that this young girl is going to have to marry this older guy, right? He's probably my age, let's just say 24, 25. And to get her out of that marriage, they have to create electricity to overcome his business. Get it off old pot, and you messed up everything already. The tea that was supposed to come to that room, yep, no more because of Inako. Inako. A fun person like your mother. Gomennasai. Yeah, that was coming. Ugh. Disgusting. So he's pissed that he couldn't have the older daughter, so he's like, I'll just take your sister instead. Ugh. What was that voice acting? Like, what is he, a cat? Did he have like a fur ball mid-sentence? Well, he's got no choice to say yes. Excuse you, this is our fucking house. You can't just come in here and tear it out. What the hell is going on? The cooling machine out. Oh, guess where we're going? We're going to the auto repair. Let's go. Wait, she might know the older brother. He's a bit weird. Oh, my electricity. Da, 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 da. She had a crush on Big Bro. This is the electricity book. So Big Bro had a crush on this woman, and now she's getting engaged to somebody else now that he died. And she got left with the electricity book. Yeah, electricity catalog. You can't marry that steam engine ass. Go marry the electrician brother. What the hell is this animal? I still want to know. We're gonna bump into steam engine brother. Kengo. Oh, is this her fiance? Shut that door quick. Oh, never mind. Steam engine bro isn't coming after. Man, he must live a long ways away. She's like, this place is a little depressing. Didn't it say we repair stuff in the back and you still go in through the front? Dun dun dun. Like this background music. Dun 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 dun. She's gonna run into the femboy looking guy. Paradise. She's always running into stuff. It's that girl. Why does grandma look like a rat a little bit? Wow. I just thought of this. So the reason why Steam Engine Bro wanted to marry into this family is because he knew that Kihachi, right? Kihachi's older brother was into that woman. That's how the older sister had the connection with this guy, and why she didn't want him in the house was because she was hiding the electricity catalog, and this guy wants the electricity catalog so that he can kind of create the new best thing above the steam engine. It's not here. He's like, there it is. She's organizing books. That animation, he's like crazed. It's like the Gojo look. Look at his arms. And then this is the fiance, I'm guessing. Oh no. Whoa, the girlfriend has moves. Wow. Noriko. She just knocked out her fiance? Oh no, now he's crazed. He wants that so bad for his business. Uh-oh, where am I? She's gonna get her first taste of electricity here. Then I was crushed by something. A box? They're doing a really cool job here of being enclosed by darkness and trying to feel your way around and almost make her like a ghost version. And then all of a sudden, light is just gonna burst through. And it's gonna probably be peak animation. I must have died. Something hit my head and this is paradise. Wait, no, she actually might think it is once everything lights up and he had that dude paint paradise. Snap, now it's paradise. For my father and sister. That's what I get for being the only thing I'm good at is believing in stuff. She literally thinks she's dead. That's so crazy. You gotta crank it harder. Get the light going. This is basically a movie. It's like a screen and then the electricity or the light and electricity going behind it. It's making like a movie screen. That is what it's doing. Oh wow, that's awesome. And now he's basically trying to portray like her mother who's in the afterlife in paradise. That's really cute that Kihachi did, right? She's praying. She definitely has excessive devotion. Hinako. He's like, God damn, this girl. She's reached paradise in the auto repair shop. Aw, now you're just being cruel to her. What? Now we got real life. Oh, this is movies, basically. He's like, whoa, look at what my invention did to help her. It moved her so much to basically make her believe that her Okasan was back. I don't know what all this stuff is, but what is going through his mind right now? I have no idea. The animation's unreal, though. It's like they're going, was that like delivering their like drinks and snacks at the movie theater? It's like, I love this girl, I think. And you're back to life. Are you from paradise? First I'm a deity and now I'm from paradise. I died earlier. It's another electric. Oh shit, no. Don't let him take the electric log. Yagura, yeah. Yup, it's electricity. He's about to get that face back. He's about to, start yapping all over again. It's electricity. Whoa, I need to go back. I wasn't prepared for my electricity lesson. Yup, see the wires. I know that's what it takes. Generator through it. Filament generates heat and light. Or check the picture drawn on the cellophane. Greatest invention. I'm aware. Uh-oh. Flashback to his brother, but now he doesn't have belief. But you believe in anything, so are you the best test subject? I don't know. Well, that makes me feel a little better. My talent is believing. Let me be good at what I believe in. What I'm good at. It's not a talent. Wait. No, this is the worst timing to let that thing rip. No. Get it quick, hurry. Hurry, bro. You better snatch that shit up quick, unless somebody else is gonna do it. It's gonna be depressing. Hide that shit quick. No. Oh, we're gonna get left on this cliffhanger? Hide that shit. Found you, my wife. He's like, what? I'm not your wife. Oh shit, though, that sucks. Wow, what an episode 1. I'm roped into the Sparks of Tomorrow. I really love the characters, Kihachi and Inako. Like, I think they kind of roped me in this episode. And then as well as like their older siblings all being connected, where I think their older siblings were kind of in a relationship, and then he went off and died in war. And I think it's going to be important for Kihachi to go and talk to Inako's older sister, and to then like kind of figure out more about his brother, so we can kind of get over this like cynical aloneness that he has of not believing in electricity. And maybe now that he's got his hands on the electric catalog, and white hair antagonist, I'm blanking on his name, is going to take it from him, and somehow he's all connected with Inako's older sister's fiance now, and they're all kind of ran in that circle about electricity. So I'm really interested about the storyline moving forward. The animation's super unique, like the watercolor background almost, and just like the purpose of trying to, I think the hardest thing about this anime for normal people is just gonna be understanding like the electricity aspect of it, and as well as the steam engine, because to me that was kind of the hardest thing to kind of get through, is kind of when they're talking about the electricity and the steam engine, just because I don't know all that much about it, you know. So I think those are kind of the tougher moments about the anime, but the storyline I'm really enjoying. The animation is high quality. So thank you all for watching to the end. If you guys enjoyed the reaction, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I appreciate all of you, and I'd love to welcome you into the community that we are building here. So thank you again for watching to the end, and I'll see you next time.